there, beautiful people. It's Shower here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. Hey there, so welcome back to the challenge. Oh my god, we have just 2 activities left. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so for today's activity, we're going to be having a digital declutter. Okay, so yesterday we decluttered our physical space, but we also have to declutter our phone because we use our phone a lot, and also our laptops. So that is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be decluttering our phone. So as I said before, we also have a guide for you to follow. So this is what it looks like in the PDF template. So we just wrote some things that you might want to do, and then you can also write down your own things that you want to do and just check them off as you go. So this is just a really cool way to make sure that you do not have junk on your laptop. You want to clear your downloads folder, you want to clear your photos apps, and just make things. So of course with this one you may not want to do this now, because I'm doing all of my cleaning by the end of the year, but you do want to take your time to go over your phone. Okay, yeah, this is what I plan to delete, so that when it's time for you to actually do the cleaning, you already know all the things that you want to throw out, you already know all the things that you want to delete, and it's just time for you to take the action. In the Notion template, we also have it as well, and if we click on it, as you can see, you have a digital declutter. So once you click on it, you will see, okay, this is my cloud storage. So for your cloud storage, maybe your Google, what do they call it? Google Drive, your iCloud, yeah. And then for your computer, like your actual computer that you use to work. And for your email as well, you want to declutter your email as well, your mobile device, which is your phone, and then also your social media. I honestly feel like some people actually forget about social media, like they forget to declutter social media. But you can declutter social media. You can unfollow inactive accounts, you can update your bio, you can organize your saved items, like just do a lot of things to just make sure that you do not have any clutter in your phone space, in your social media space. So yeah, guys, that is just basically that for that. I'm so proud of you for sticking to this and actually watching these videos and just getting yourself motivated and just getting yourself ready for 2025. You're doing so well. And yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow for day 20. I mean, my luteal face out, it's really bad.